Welcome to my little corner of the internet, where we chat about the cool stuff that keeps our digital lives secure. Today's topic: Information Protection and Governance in Microsoft 360, or M365 for short. It's like setting the rules of the game for keeping all your precious digital pearls safe from the cyber sharks. Ready to dive in? M365 isn't just a fancy new computer. No, sir. It's Microsoft's attempt to make our digital world a bit more secure by making sure everyone knows where their information is, who can see it, and when it's safe to throw it around. Now, I know that sounds like something a computer wizard would do, but trust me, it's simpler than it seems. Imagine you've got a treasure chest in your home. Some items are your personal stuff, while others are valuable heirlooms. You wouldn't just leave them out on display, right? You'd make sure they're safe, maybe in a locked cabinet. Now, put this scenario into your digital life. Your sensitive files like financial records, customer data, or anything else that's confidential, they need to be locked up tight. That's where M365's Information Protection, also known as MIP, enters, acting like that super secure chest for your digital valuables. Let's lay a little foundation first. In business world, stuff gets classified and labeled, right? M365 is like bringing that into your business, but for digital information. And the best part is, it doesn't just stop at classifying and labeling. M365 is like the guardian angel for your data, ensuring it only goes places where and when it should. The next part is the lifecycle management. Have you ever thought about the lifespan of a document or an email? Some stuff stays with you forever, others are like the daily watering can to the garden, useful for a short while and then tossed away. Lifecycle management is just this, keeping track of the journey of every piece of your digital content. If your document is an old map from the age of exploration and someone needs a map for history homework, you know what I mean. Alright, back to the game then. M365 is all about playing by the golden rules of handling data. When you share a document or an email with your team, M365 ensures that everyone knows it's business as usual and not their cat's new videos or spammy emails. And here's a juicy bit, M365 is constantly watching over your stuff, making sure that only the right players get to touch your toys. So, even if someone bumbles into it, there's a fail-safe plan in case the prying eyes snoop around. Now, let's take a trip into the wizardry realm where M365's got your back. It allows you to set up different sharing rules, like, maybe only the HR people can touch payroll drafts or customer data, but everyone else can access non-sensitive files. And here's another cool trick. M365 stores the copy of your sensitive info within its own magical kingdom, known as the Secure Sandbox environment. This ensures if someone somehow sneaks a peek or tries to crack the code in the external copies, they'll only find digital dust. Implementing M365 might feel like learning a new language, but it doesn't have to be rocket science. You begin by identifying which treasures are your most precious possessions and need the toughest keep. Next up, tag each with a label like high value, confidential, public, and just like that, anyone trying to navigate your digital house will know exactly where they can and cannot go. And don't worry about forgetting how old your toys are. M365 comes with something akin to digital birthdays. These are timers on your files that say, by the nth day, should my treasure become a relic. You choose the time frame that aligns with your hoarding habits. If a document was crafted for a one-off project yesterday, it gets marked as expired today. No sweat, right? Now we dive into the realms of ecosystems in M365. Think of an ecosystem as like different areas of your house where stuff grows naturally, and here, each department or team, like IT, HR, or marketing, manages their own digital flora and fauna. This keeps everything neat and tidy, with each group only interacting with the bits of data they've been given the green light for. Of course, in the treasure trove of M365 you can find spells to reclaim. Just like an archaeological treasure hunt, if someone accidentally misplaced a precious jewel, M365 can help you unearth the lost data without a messy dig spanning across your entire digital kingdom. Let's not forget about the guardians of the treasure, or in our case, M365 admin teams. These brave souls are trained to use M365's best spells, like the automated disaster recovery, making sure the most valuable pieces of your data can be replicated and brought back if by some sorcery, the data vault was breached. And they're not alone. These guardians work closely with IT security wizards or cybersecurity experts to continuously scan the castle walls for any digital intruders. Alright folks, now for the grand final, a touch of M365 for our non-Windows world. Microsoft offers solutions like Azure Information Protection, another way to lock down your digital assets, and with Magic extensions, you can even run these across the otherworldly lands of macOS or Linux-based operating systems. In the world of M365, it's all about being a wise steward of your digital domain. By setting boundaries, understanding data ecosystems, and enlisting the help of trained guardians, you can navigate the M365 realm like a pro, knowing your data is safe, sound, and well managed, which means your operations keep flowing like a calm and tidy river, unperturbed by the uncertainties of the cyber seas. Now that I've shared all these secrets with you, I guess it's time to bring this tale to an end. I've enjoyed walking through the intricate and powerful world of Microsoft 365, where information isn't just secure, it's living according to your rules. But before you say your goodbyes to this chat, give my little tutorial here the nod as an invite. Visit neeraj.io and be sure to subscribe to TechLab for more insights that don't need spellbooks to understand. Cheers!